Just wanted to make this video real quick and show you guys what's going on here. I've seen several people do this plastic welding on whatever parts. I don't trust just my 3D gloop bond. So what I'm doing here, the plastic welding, I originally started off with this tool tip here. Can't get flat enough against the surface. It actually turns out pretty rough. So I went to the store and bought this. Just wanted to show you that up against the surface here, you're actually able to get it quite smooth. And not only is this going to help hide your seam, but this is going to make your bond even stronger. I just wanted to share this with you guys real quick. Have a good one. Stay happy and be creative.